Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix cannot hear teammates or friends in Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is either head over to multiplayer zombies, it doesn't really matter, but what you want to do is you want to go over to settings and then you want to click on the channels tab. From channels go over to game channel, and then now from here you can create a separate channel where you can invite everybody you want to talk to. So just simply hit invite players to party and then invite the person that you want to talk to. And once they join, you guys should be able to hear each other. Another thing you guys can make sure to do is, I believe the default key is F11 on your keyboard. But what it basically does is like it either mutes your microphone or unmutes it. So just make sure that it is unmuted. So you can go ahead and check to see if that helps as well. Anyways, once you do that, you guys should be good to go and you're all set. So just make a channel, invite them to your channel, and then once you guys are all in, you guys should be able to talk to each other in game. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.